Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Fenix Sapphire Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First, we need to open the menu on our watch. You can do it by pressing and holding the up/menu button. Once the menu opens, scroll through it by swiping on the screen or by using the up and down buttons. So scroll through the menu, find the option called Connectivity, and once you find it, select it. Here, find the option called Wi-Fi and select it. Now scroll down, find the option called My Networks and tap on it. And right here, you should see the list of Wi-Fi networks you are connected to or your watch is connected to. Once you find the network you want to disconnect from, tap on it to select it, then tap on Remove and tap on Yes to confirm. If you go back to the My Networks, you will see that the network is gone. This means you disconnected from it, and then you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.